Have y'all ever gotten in a fight with each other?
Hello, my name is Diego Rayo.
My name is Eduardo Rayo.
My name is Ivan Rayo.
I'm the oldest of the three of us. All my close friends call me Eggy. I'm 23 years old. I'm currently working on my CFI, and my end goal is to work for the airlines. I don't know which one yet.
Well, I kind of just got into aviation because of them. Yeah. Literally, that's the only reason why. But like the more they talk about airplanes, the more like I started to, really like grow fond of them. Like start to think they were cool. And I always like to fix things, and why not give A&P a try?
I went to college to follow the path into the automotive industry.
Yeah.
But then eventually I realized that the more I kind of learned about the automotive industry, the more I kind of didn't really want to be a part of that anymore. So I just started looking elsewhere, other career options. That's around the time my brother was, I think you had just gotten your instrument rating.
Yeah.
And then, no. You had gotten your private license.
Okay.
And I really just wanted to be like around airplanes. I thought they were cool. So planes was never in the game plan. I really only got into planes because of him,
It's definitely been a big change. I've never really done anything like this.
Yeah.
Coming straight from college to, trying to become a pilot, I had to shift the way I study, the way I do things, my schedule and everything. But really, I can't complain. It's been really fun. And now that they're joining me, it's gonna be even better. Yeah. So we all used to work at the same place. Actually, we all worked at McDonald's for a few years in high school and a little bit into college, and so that just really brought us together even more than we already were. I was the first one to work there, and then they eventually followed. So I kind of had to train them up a little bit, and so it's kind of the same thing right now with aviation. I'm the first one in here, so I'm slowly teaching them things, and so it just carries on wherever we go.
These are like the two closest people to me in my life. Like I tell these guys everything, anything that happens, they're like the first ones to know. Especially since like I said before, we all still live together, so it's really easy. We just get home, and as soon as you get home, everyone's already there. We just start chatting, maybe go out to eat.
Your restaurant? In-N-Out?
Olive Garden?
I was gonna say like McDonald's.
What?
Hey!
Well, we go to In-N-Out most of the, or I guess fine.
I only go to In-N-Out because they want to go to In-N-Out.
Let's just say Whataburger.
But we always go to Olive Garden.
Let's just say Whataburger.
What keeps me motivated is, aviation is such a fun industry, and so even whenever we're studying, I guess the boring stuff like regulations or things like that, I'm still motivated because the end goal is flying airplanes or for them working on airplanes, and at the end of the day, that's pretty cool. Most of the time, whenever we talk to our family members and they're trying to figure out what we're up to, usually it makes them happy that we're in aviation. Our parents, they have high hopes for us, and so it makes us want to work harder and continue doing this.